Hi, Mark here. Monday, February the 16th, 7:54 a.m. Eastern. That's 12:54 p.m. GMT. Public holiday in the US today. We'll be looking in most cases at the futures market. There will be trading, but because it's less liquid, it could be sharp moves today. Let's have a look how we stand at this point, going on 8 a.m. Eastern Time. US dollar index, certainly demand, testing and just pushing that a little bit higher now the US session is underway. US trading hours, should I say, is underway. I've got support at 96.80 and I have resistance at 96.96, looking to test that 97 level. We'll see if that can be maintained. Like I say, moves could be sharper today as a result of the illiquidities. So once we see demand for US dollars at this point, perhaps a sharp move higher. We'll see if that 97 level can be tested. Support sitting at 96.80. Let's have a look at the S&P, the futures market. Small gap higher to open and has maintained slight demand for US equities this morning. I've got support at 6,855 and I have resistance at 6,885. Small green candlestick. We'll see how that plays out during the rest of the US session in the futures market. Let's have a look at gold. Gold sitting pretty flat, not far off from its close on Friday. Friday we saw demand, a nice fight back from gold, hanging around this mid 5,050, 5,030 to 50 area. Same thing this morning. We can see resistance 5,036. That's the level buyers will be looking to test and to get back to that 5,100 on the upside. I've got support at 4,962. Right now sitting at 5,001. Sellers will want to try and maintain below that 5,000 level. Let's have a look at Brent oil. US-Iran talks continuing this week. I do expect volatility in the oil market. We'll see. Today, testing intraday resistance right now. I've got support at 67.27 and resistance at 67.96. Buyers looking to test break above that level to get above $68, perhaps right up to that $70 in an illiquid market, again, depending on the rhetoric coming out of the US-Iran negotiations. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. Certainly the one instrument that we know is not closed, 24/7, always open to trade. And so far today, looking again up at testing that $70,000 level, a level that has been unable to break above and maintain above, sitting there right now. Buyers will look at this. Let's just move slightly our resistance a little bit higher. Now sitting at 69,800. Buyers will look to test the 70,000 level, perhaps once they have, if they can break above that level, create some interest and demand for Bitcoin. Well, lots of room on the upside. We'll see whether that can play out, or if sellers do step in again at around this 70,000 level and look down at support at this point sitting at 68,000. Good trading. Keep that discipline today. As I say, I do expect more of an illiquid market based on the public holidays in the US and in Canada as well, and that could make for some sharp moves in either direction. Good trading, and I'll see you at the end of the day session.